And the last one is my favorite, shares. Next. Now, before going into all these areas, all of you know the meaning of the word inflation. Inflation means the price rise. What happens when inflation happens? Next. Prices of all products go up and purchasing power of currency goes down. Like say, all our elders, उनका फेवरेट कोटेशन है ना, हमारे टाइम में वेरी बहुत कॉमन है, वो 10 रुपया किलो घी होता था, अरबपति है, उसके बाद भी हमारे टाइम में 10 रुपया किलो घी होता था. माय जीजा जी, माय ब्रदर इन लॉज फादर ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू कोट दिस. तो एक बार हमारे जीजा जी ने उनको निपटा दिया. बोले आपके बाप गरीब थे, हमारा बाप अमीर है, इसलिए वी बाय घी एट whatever 500 rupees kilo. But that is the reality. Okay. Here comes the concept of real interest rate. Like say I request few of you, just go to your bank manager and just tell him that you want to do a fixed deposit of 1 crore. तो बैठाएगा, चाय पिलाएगा, सब कुछ करेगा ना. Then you ask him, sir, what is the meaning of real interest rate? Because you are offering me interest rate. But Dhanuka said that there is a difference between real interest rate and interest rate. So what is this all about? 99% he will not answer because the whole thing will collapse. What is the real interest rate? Interest rate minus inflation is equal to real interest rate. Because what is happening? अभी तक तो ये चल रहा था, real interest rate was in negative. That means every year you are losing the capital. Abhi recently I was called by Star News. Okay, all the Bengali crowd. उनको ये बताना impossible था, impossible, and they did not agree last तक. Well, ultimately this is the fact. कि when you are putting your money in fixed deposit, so what is happening? Say if the inflation is 10% and they give you 8%, so common sense and mathematics says every year your capital is going down by 2%. So why I said suicide postponed, that what is happening actually, frankly speaking, many widows, many professionals, they put their money in fixed deposit. So what is happening there? Today, if they can buy a particular standard ka dress, after 10 years they cannot afford because the purchasing power of the currency has gone down. So why we say, Rati, fixed deposit is safe? I just wanted to start a movement against this in India. Let the bank collapses. They have to answer this myth, na? गरीब आदमी गरीब होता जा रहा है because of this word fixed deposit. Middle class, they remain middle class or they are going down to the poor wala level. अमीर आदमी अमीर होता जा रहा है. That is the case, na? Because गरीब आदमी and middle class, they choose to invest in a safe haven. And fixed deposit is the safest. आप बता दो, I challenge anyone in Bangalore if he can prove me wrong, because these are mathematics. कि आप देखते हो हर बार फिक्स डिपॉजिट में रुपया सेफ बोलते हो ना. दिस एक बात दिमाग से निकाल दो आप, when you are investing, there is nothing called safe or unsafe. That is an investment avenue, and the nature of that investment decides your return. It is not safe or unsafe because, say, when I bought insurance policy for myself, etc., say for 5 crore, 20 years back. Now I am getting that money. 20 years back लगता क्या था 5 करोड़ आएगा तब मजा आ जाएगा. क्या हुआ? माने आई एम गिवन एग्जांपल कि देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ दैट मनी. सो व्हाई दैट इज हैपनिंग? इंश्योरेंस इज सेफ, सब रुपया साफ हो रहा है. जितना बैंक डिपॉजिट बढ़ रहा है, जितना इंश्योरेंस में वो प्रीमियम्स ज्यादा आ रहा है, उतनी गरीबी बढ़ रही है. आई कैन चैलेंज दिस एंड nobody has that dare to tell this, because this is the real picture, na? You have to look at the real interest rate. Interest rate is a myth. Yes. You have to look at the time, because मेरा तो passion है. I can just overshoot. हाँ जी. Take the mic ना, so that सब कोई सुने. हाँ नहीं, सब कोई सुने ना. Everyone should hear ना. हाँ. No. अच्छा, go back to the real interest rate.
Real interest rate.
Because
I just wanted to say
one thing is for sure. She has put lot of money in fixed deposit.
no. I just wanted to capture the
Yes.
the theory behind it.
Yes.
I thought interest rate minus inflation is real interest rate. I agreed. So you're saying that FD is not such a good proposition because you're saying
you
that
tell
the
me,
capital is
why you-
eroded. Capital is eroded. But I'm saying it's because of inflation. Supposing we move to a society, the government controls a lot of things, and we get a situation where inflation can be controlled, then I think will it be
Very good question. Very good question. But the problem is that when inflation is controlled, RBI reduces the interest rate. They are linked. They will not allow real interest rate to go up from 1%. अभी हो गया 1%. From the last 5 years, it was in negative zone. So they will not allow real interest rate to go beyond 1%. Okay, I'm not considering the income tax angle in fixed deposit. It's huge. I also, even after talking so loudly about fixed deposit, I have also fixed deposit, so I have to pay 30%. तो आप सोचो, what she said ना, 7.5, 8 ही मान लो चलो, 8% का rate, 30% is just cut. You get maximum 6% का return. और what's your good name? Lakshmi. अरे वाह, क्या बात है, मजा आ गया. We are approaching Diwali and Lakshmi, बहुत बढ़िया. तो Lakshmi, आप सोचो, another angle I am giving you. Your inflation rate is not 6%. My inflation rate is not 6%. Our inflation rate is 20-25%. Your standard of living is going up year after year. पहले का आप सोचो ना, 10 साल पहले का जो अपना स्टैंडर्ड था, totally changed, because our likes and dislikes, our spending habits, they are changing very fast. हाँ, तो ये जो change हो रहा है, so we have to be more alert than this 5-6%, 8% inflation जो है ना, that is for the general आम आदमी. हम लोग का तो नहीं है, हमारा तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Traveling, people are, अभी कलकत्ता पूरा खाली, सबके हमारी, इसलिए भी क्लोज डाउन द क्लास फॉर 15 days. पूरा दुनिया ट्रैवल कर रही है. वो भी अभी हमारे को एक दोस्त ने अटेंड किया पार्टी वहाँ पे टर्की में. 50th बर्थडे ही सेलिब्रेटेड इन टर्की. 1 करोड़ रुपया. उसका इन्फ्लेशन का जोड़िए ना, वो फिक्स डिपॉजिट से नहीं होगा. You must keep this in mind that inflation rate differs from person to person, because that 6% is a theoretical number that doesn't belong to us. तो फिर तो टनिस तो बंद हो जाएगा ना ये फिक्स डिपॉजिट से. तो चलिए, you give me a warning ना, so that I will. हाँ, fixed deposit are thought as safe, but real interest rate is negative, you lose capital every year. Another way of looking at fixed deposit is, some people think that if we are doing a cumulative, then we are getting a better interest rate in fixed deposit also. But actually what is happening? They are investing your interest in fixed deposit and that is earning again the interest. ना समझो आपने 10 साल का फिक्स डिपॉजिट किया तो अल्टीमेटली वो रुपया वो इंटरेस्ट तो वही साथ ही मिलेगा जितना भी आप क्यूमुलेटिव करो चाहे जो करो. तो अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल. दिस इज द फैक्ट. एंड इसके बाद डोंट गो फ्रॉम हियर दिस सर्टन कि हम तो गलत जगह फंस गए. ये मत करना भैया, नहीं तो बहुत गाली दोगे. बिकॉज अदर एवेन्यूज आर नॉट दैट easy for everyone. So you have to be careful. Next. ये आप ही पढ़ दो. This investment darling of the middle class is the most dangerous asset. But with disclaimer कि आप लेक्चर देना शुरू कर दो हस्बैंड को, फिक्स डिपॉजिट किया तुम इतना बेवकूफ आदमी, तो वो आप अपना देखो. Their beta is the number how we measure risk. Beta nahi, beta. How we measure risk. Their beta may be 0, but the risk is huge. Please take it from me कि ये beta is 0, risk is huge. पता नहीं क्यों vested interest वाले क्यों नहीं ये सब बात करते हैं. Nobody talks about these things in CNBC, NDTV. ये उनकी दुकान बंद हो जाएगी ना. तो ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट. गोल्ड. नेक्स्ट. Gold is a very sexy investment and darling of women. Although gold has given very good returns in the last few years. Actually, I must quote Mr. Warren Buffett. What is happening in gold? Gold ka consumption is not there other than the women ka jewelry. It is not used in medicine. बहुत मामूली कुछ है. Chemical, silver का है, but not gold. So what is happening in real sense? Again, you can take it or reject it. I know that I am entering into a very dangerous area. कि हो रहा क्या है? Gold mining, because of gold mining is happening, so gold production every year is coming up in the system, and consumption cannot match the production. It is impossible. Still, gold में लोग invest करते हैं ना. What is the strategy? Gold is the safest avenue during uncertainty. That is पक्का. So that's why you find when there is terrorist attack, when there is a war, when there is the economy में गड़बड़ घोटाला, gold prices go up. You must have noticed, na? Gold prices go up. Even share prices fall, gold prices go up. So gold is the friend of uncertainty. तो अब uncertainty का friendship करने का है कि नहीं, that आप अपना जानो. Another argument, Rati, very common argument what they give, कि last 50 साल में gold का price ये से ये हो गया. Because everyone is holding gold from last even centuries. 50 साल 100 साल में घर में तो गहना है ही ना. Now I counter that argument कि you compare ना भाई. In my opinion, gold is another investment avenue. You cannot say gold is safe and investing in Hindustan Lever is unsafe. No. Both are investment avenue. Both has got risk and reward. So you have to compare the golden script of India, like Lever, Tiver, Infosys वगैरह जो भी, then you compare ना कि 50 year में Hindustan Lever gave you आप लोग पागल हो जाओगे सुनोगे तो. Gave you so much of appreciation, and gold also gave you so much of appreciation. But you have to compare, na? If gold has given you 5,000%, and Hindustan Lever has given you 50,000%, so gold cannot match the appreciation level with Hindustan Lever. That you have to compare, na? Now the problem with Hindustan Lever versus gold is, when you buy gold, I'm talking about not आजकल का ज्वेलरी, आजकल तो गोल्ड रहता ही नहीं है, वो नाटक ज्यादा रहता है, बट जनरली जो गोल्ड आपका हो दमदार, हाँ, तो गोल्ड आप जब बाई करते हो, तो व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड? You buy it for use, definitely. But you just decide not to sell for the next 5,000 years. गोल्ड का तो ये है ना, कोई भी एक बात जरूर बोलते हैं कि कभी तकलीफ आएगी तो तकलीफ की भगवान क्यों बात करो, तकलीफ आएगी तो, अदरवाइज तो यू डोंट बाई गोल्ड टू सेल. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट गोल्ड बिस्किट वगैरह अभी जो चल रहा है. जनरली व्हेन वी बाई गोल्ड, we don't buy to sell gold.